Hi guys, how are we doing today? So today I'll be showing you how to model your first mattress. So we'll just take our first step by mapping out our measurements for the mattress. Is a 6 feet mattress by 6 feet. Drawing a rectangle or square in this case. Going to the edge. Let's just take a moderate chunk out of it. Double click on the edge. Double click. Then we are back here. Delete this. Delete excesses. Pick a line from the middle, inference to the middle of this point. The mattress is about 8 inches high. Inference to this point also. Yeah, so now that's your first step. So the next step is we'll get a circle. Let's make the sides 100, even though I know it's a bit too small. Make a copy of this. Get my arc again. As you see, this is how it is. I'm going to circle from this end point, this point, clean this up a bit. Do the same for the top one. Like this. I mistakenly did this. So let's weld our edges. So the next thing to do is to use your follow me tool. Do this. You can have this deleted. Go to the edge here. Have it covered. Reverse face. Come to this area as well and draw a line here so have it covered. So you have your mattress like this. But if you want to make it more, let's make it a bit more realistic. I did delete guidelines. Offset it by a little. Let's say 1 inch. So move up by 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, this is better. Then offset again by 1 inches. Then move up by 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, I like this more. Then offset again by 1 inches. Then move by 1/4 of an inch, so that it has a smoother gradient. You can see how it is, and we can decide to then apply the material on it. Let's apply the material. Let's see how it. So we could have it looking this way. Yeah, this seems better. So we could have it looking this way.